Hey, Matai. What you doing? I know. My hands are cold. I don't have my gloves. Here we are outside in the aftermath of Hurricane Nemo. Snow blizzard Nemo. He wasn't that bad. It's been worse. And here's our car. We just cleaned off the car. And Matai's just digging and playing in the snow. This is my building. This is the area, and it's what it looks like after the snow. It wasn't that bad. 2 years ago, we had a worse storm. So I'm happy about that it stopped. It was supposed to snow until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but it stopped sometime early in the morning. And there's down the street. Matai, you got anything to say about the snow? Yeah.
And going outside to play with it. And throwing snow at Mommy.
You were throwing snow at me?
Yeah, and playing snow.
Oh, yeah, we have a snow fight.
And hitting the snow.
You hitting the snow now?
Grandma, look.
What you doing?
Hitting the snow.
Oh, why are you hitting it? I was trying to start off a snowman over here, but my hands are too cold and I can't find my gloves. So I kind of, I don't know what it's supposed to be. My funny looking snowman. I could make a snow face, Matai. What do you think?
Huh?
Should we make a snow face?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright, so let me go try that. But I hope you guys are as warmer than I am. Well, actually, it's not that warm. It's not that cold out. It's nice out, really. But snow is cold, but the weather's warm. It's starting to get windier, which means the weather's dropping, so it'll be getting cold soon. Say bye, Matai.
Bye.
Turn around.
I did.
Oh, okay, bye-bye. Smooches.
You